BMW is misfiring on cylinders. There's a few options you can do. Number one, you should definitely get yourself an OBD2 scanner and check which cylinders are misfiring. Second step is to take your coil from cylinder 1, you put it to cylinder 2. Use the scanner again and see if that really helps the issue. If it doesn't, that means that there's something else that might be wrong. What I have with my 2008 BMW, it started as a misfire on cylinder 1. I switched around the coils, it was still continuing. I spent about $65 on a brand new spark plugs, NKGs, because the original that was in my car was an NKG stamped BMW on them. I said, that might solve the issue. That did not solve an issue. The car started to run a little smoother because the old spark plugs, they were just worn out. They were black. It was still shaking. It was still showing me misfire on cylinder 1. Next thing I've done, I swapped the cylinder 1 injector to cylinder 2. It still did not solve an issue. I was a little stuck. I started reading Beamer forums and YouTube videos. They all came to the conclusion there has to be a coil, a spark plug, injector. I started digging deeper, and there was a YouTube video, an excellent video. Someone explained that there's a sensor inside the motor that might have something to do with the misfire. And so I went on eBay and I've purchased the eccentric shaft sensor for $70. My Beamer is running smooth, no issues, no misfires. But I did go through quite a few steps to fix the issue. First of all, like I said, I've replaced all 6 of the spark plugs, the 2 brand new coil packs. I also replaced the sensor. I've used the wire. This wire, the K plus ECAN wire, really erased the old memory from the system. Beamer is fixed. It took me roughly $200 to fix the misfire issue. $60 spark plugs, 2 brand new coil packs, which cost me $55, I believe. A sensor, which was $70. I also went with a new valve cover for another $80. It stopped the smoking, ran smooth, great, no smoke, no smell. That's $200 to fix the Beamer. Now, if you went the same route and you went to the dealership, I can probably guarantee you would spend at least $1,000 fixing that same issue that you can fix yourself, and really there's nothing to it. Simple things like replacing spark plugs and coil packs. Injectors don't really go bad on those cars. Mine is an N52 motor. This sensor was an issue, $70. Besides, it is such a great feeling and a pleasure to know that you can fix that BMW yourself. Have fun.